At this ingenious invention that moves a blade up a concrete wall, leaving a perfectly smooth surface. A traffic robot moves a flexible barrier into place to narrow a highway by a single lane to control the flow of cars. One machine pushes charcoal blocks from a rotating belt, and another machine moves them into a straight line. Just place this metal mold over concrete before it dries and create an evenly proportioned cinder block.
Okay,
Starting with an ordinary block of wood, this master craftsperson crafts it into a spoon. Using a curved blade, this woodworker carves out the center of a ball of wood to create an incredible bowl. This artist places a tree stump